Asante. Habari za mchana. So najua mna njaa. Tumeshapewa survival kits, una toothpaste hapo, you can have a little bit of mswaki kupoza njaa. Unaweza ukanywa Gofen kupoza maumivu ya kichwa. Yeah? Poleni. Mwaka juzi when we launched huduma za afya mtandao hospitali ya Jakaya Kikwete Cardiac Institute, our very first patient alikuwa an 18-year-old girl au teenager from Arusha. She had rheumatic heart disease. Na aliyebuki appointment hata hakuwa yeye, ilikuwa ni baba yake. Alibuka appointment na akaongea na cardiologist, and coming to find out kwamba alikuwa ametolewa shule within just a few days ili ku access healthcare. Na in the time ambayo alikuwa anafanyiwa consult, she was supposed to do it really fast in order back to school. Sasa what became very fascinating to us ni kwamba this person alikuwa anatafuta daktari mzuri sana wa masuala ya moyo, lakini kwa kule alipokuwepo, unfortunately hakupata the best that she wanted to get. So using our platform, akawa connected na cardiologist, akafanya consults. Kuna some of the things that alikuwa misdiagnosed with, na using the help of our platform, akaweza kwenda kwenye the nearest certified accredited lab, akapata huduma ya vipimo, and then akashare back to the cardiologist, and then akapata suggestion of what she can do next. Now if you look at it from a general observation, you can notice kwamba she saved time, she saved money, because she would have to travel all the way from Arusha to get the service. But now we have bridged that gap. And I'm sharing this because I want you to know why we do what we do. We do this so that healthcare can reach a person at the point of need. Tumeshazoea kwamba in order for you to access healthcare, you have to travel all the way from wherever you are to the healthcare provider. But now we are reversing it. The health provider can service you from wherever you are. Do we have any students who are medical courses in the building? No one is doing medical related courses. Oh, I see you. Oh, one person. Okay, two. Oh no, I'll enjoy. You cannot win them. No calories to lift your hands. Poleni. So, I am aware from the majority of us here are Gen Zs. I'm not claiming to be a Gen Z. So I want they call a zillennial. You know zillennials. They're between Gen Z and millennials. Like one among the things that we love the most is using digital tools to access anything. You have these Apple Watches, you have these trackers, Yesterday we went to 7,000 steps. Like we like to track our life conveniently. Like also, we don't mind getting virtual care. We don't mind having a consult from the convenience of our homes. Now, are we listening to each other? Yeah? I'm sorry, I've been prompted internally. Can we just stand up for 1 minute for a stretch? Just 2 minutes stretch. Can we stand up? Just a short stretch. Because no one can listen in my phone. Just ask for space. Okay. I want you to follow what I'm doing. Fanya hivi. Stretch it all the way. Good. Now switch it to the other side. The next one is move your neck around. Good. Msije mkaogopa, sitaki kuwafanyisha squat. You can sit down. Okay. way. The other thing is that nimenotice kwamba most diseases are very proactive when it comes to their health. Proactiveness in a sense, squeezy we care about our skins, unasikia una 6-step skincare routine. Squeezy we care about our health, tunapenda probiotics, and we collect a lot of information from the online sources. Unaweza ukaangalia mtu TikTok anakunywa sijui yogurt, this is a good probiotic, this is. So we get a lot of information online, but not every information you get online is actually accurate. The manner we have platforms such as to link you with a certified licensed healthcare providers who will give you information that is actually accurate. Now, nilikuwa ninanena hapa ila projector is good of an issue. Google your symptoms, having chest pain, Google is telling you you're dying in the next 3 hours. So it happens. I know what we all want. We all want convenience because care from anywhere, anytime is something that we all want. But we also want speed, fast access, no long queues. When you get hospitality, for us who are working, we're talking hospitality at the same time, you're going to take the whole day off because you know how to manage in a few minutes. But now trying to imagine how we can use digital channels to make sure that we get the service that we want for urahisi, this is the way we go. And also, personalized, tailored care. Specifically, tunapenda sana access wellness services, and I know our generation inasuffer sana kwenye masuala ya mental health. Tunaweza kuwa hapa tumekaa pamoja tunacheka, but could be battling something, and sometimes you need to talk to somebody who is licensed, somebody who is a specialist. So we also do offer wellness services kama za mental health kwenye our platform. Now, the platform yenyewe inaitwa CloudScript. I know it's a bit of a mouthful, but CloudScript. So CloudScript is a patient-facing. Nikisema patient-facing inamaanisha mtu yoyote ambaye ana digital device can access the service. Face the patient. You don't have to go to the hospital to get the service. Lakini also it's cloud-based. That's where we're going when it comes to the digital world. And you do not need to download kwa sababu najua squeezy iCloud hizi napokea notification normal, specific imejaa, kila kitu kimejaa, so I can only assure kwamba you do not want yet another app to access the service. So our app is web-based. You can kwenye any browser, and then you can search cloudscript.online, and then there you can get all the services you need. And also, sign up is completely free. You do not need to pay a dime. I know free is something that we like. So signing up on CloudScript is completely free, and we operate across East Africa, Southern Africa, and Asia Pacific. So it's not only operating over Tanzania, but also beyond. And also, tuna ecosystem ambayo inaruhusu seamless exchange of information across the entire health ecosystem. So if I can paint a picture for you, as a patient, unaweza kuingia kwenye platform, uka search, I need maybe a psychologist. Ukaona ratiba yake, ukaona anacharge shilingi ngapi, and then ukabook an appointment. So we have the appointment management ecosystem as well. Ukipata ukishafanya booking, you can pay. Payments zinafanyika kule online using credit card, debit card, Tigo Pesa, M-Pesa, you can make the payment. After that, utapokea a link, a secure link to let you know that you have confirmed your appointment. And then next, the day of your appointment, utapokea a reminder over, hey, you have an appointment in the next 30 minutes. So this goes both ways, both for the patient but also to the doctor. Now, that means tunafanya kazi na healthcare providers, tunafanya kazi na hospitals, meaning you could search for a hospital, and within it, I wish I could show you that unfortunately, if you search, for example, the Psychiatric Cardiac Institute or Care Health Hospitality Services, unaona pale providers available, unachagua yupi unamtaka, unachagua time ambayo ungependa kufanya consult, and then unapata confirmation of your appointment. So all this is for what? Because we want you to access services conveniently in the most affordable way. Lakini also kuna services that have a little bit of stigma around it. in this day and age, you don't want to walk into an Angaza. You're like, everybody's looking at me walking in there. So accessing sexual reproductive health services conveniently from your home devices is also something that we're looking forward. Lakini also reliable health information. You want to get services from somebody who is licensed. So every doctor you're going to see in our platform ni mtu ambaye amekuwa registered na MCT na tumejulisha kwamba huyu anaweza akatoa huduma za afya kwa ufasaha or professionally, but also equal license to do so. So that is something that you can have in mind. When it comes to privacy and confidentiality, we have made sure that all that is secure, lakini pia your personal information is protected. So when it comes to telehealth, ikitokea kwamba unafanya a video conferencing call na your doctor, ile channel inakuwa end-to-end encrypted. So when I say end-to-end encrypted, kama ilikuwa WhatsApp. So unajua mtu kama mostly nipigie no more calls because somebody can intercept and listen to you. So encryption inamaanisha no third party can listen to your conversation, and I think that's pretty cool. And it's one among the global standards when it comes to telehealth. I'm almost done, and I'm gonna share with you factors to consider ukiwa unataka kufanya telehealth consult. Number one, and the obvious, make sure that your internet is very stable and you're in a quiet place. Now, if you're a healthcare provider, what you don't do kwenye bedside, don't do kwenye website. Like, kama kwenye consult room, in physical one, uweze ukawa unaongea na mgonjwa while people are walking in and out, then don't do that if you're online. So they're the same principles, but they're just being applied in the tele platform. Lakini also, you have to be a little bit familiar with CloudScript so that it helps you to not have any challenges, but it's very easy to maneuver. Now, if you could take off your phones, you can just go to Google or Chrome and write cloud, kama wingu, script, kama script, and then .online. Hapo unakuwa umeingia. And then you can sign up as a patient, or kama you're a healthcare provider who is licensed, you can sign up as a provider, or if you know somebody who is a hospital, we are always looking forward to signing up with more and more hospitals, but in the meantime, we are partnering with the likes of the Philly National Hospital, the Kikwete Cardiac Institute, Qualitas Hospital, Kairuki, Care Health, Revive Physiotherapy, Emenda, American Clinic, and so much more. So we are open to partner up, and you can follow us on our socials for more at CloudScript.online. You can get more information about what we do, and if you have any further questions towards me, my team and I are here, so you can meet us and our accordingly. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you have a nice afternoon.